tornado emergency for Jefferson City. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for Central Cole County, Southern Callaway County, Central Osage County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:43 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Jefferson City, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Jefferson City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Holt Summit and Lake Mickey Town around 11:55 p.m. Lake Mickey around 12 a.m. New Bloomfield around 12:05 a.m. Fulton around 12:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wainwright, Carrington, Tibbetts, Osage City, Guthrie, Reform, Steedman, and Rocane. This also includes Clarkson Norton Historic Site and Jefferson Landing Historic Site. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Make its way off toward the northeast. This is a strong system